Hi friends, welcome to new video. Today I explain and show you how to replace the toner cartridge on Canon 6310dn model printer. This is the Canon LBP 6310dn. D means double side print and N means network print. Let's see how to do. Okay. First, connect the power cable to the socket of the back side of the printer. After then, turn on the printer. This is the power switch. Press on this button. Now printer is working. First, press this switch and pull this door. For remove toner cartridge from this printer. This is the toner cartridge of this printer. Toner cartridge is 719. Number is mentioned on the toner cartridge. Pull this toner out like this. This is the new toner cartridge of this printer. This toner can be used on every model printer mentioned in the box. Photos of putting the cartridge on the printer are provided on the back side of the box. You can get approximate 2100 prints from this toner. Now let's see how to insert the toner cartridge. Cartridge number is 719. Push the toner and place it inside like this. After then, close the door. After then, pull this paper tray and open like this. After then, put some paper on the tray for take test print. Printer cannot take a test print automatically without a computer. So connect the USB cable to the computer to take the test print. Test print printed from computer. Okay. Now test print is coming. With this method you can check whether the printer and toner is working or not. See, this is the test print of this printer. This video is winding up. Okay, see you on next video. Thanks friends.